There have been rumors recently about Samsung's impending One UI 7 version, which is going to be built on top of Android 15. Big folders, a new feature, are designed to simplify things for users. Unlike standard folders, big folders allow you to launch your most often used applications straight with a single press, making it quicker and easier to access the apps you need. Users may discover and use commonly used applications more easily and neatly by grouping apps into folders on the home screen or in the app drawer using One UI. Large folders are a feature found on phones with HarmonOS and Hypoge that go beyond regular folders. These are larger and typically have a 3x3 grid so you can quickly access up to 8 apps with just one tap. Large folders improve on this by providing an even more convenient way to manage and access your apps. A little symbol for additional programs inside the folder appears in the 9th position. Touching this icon allows you to see and choose every app in the folder. While specifics around Samsung's One UI 7 are yet unknown, it is anticipated that Ed would have a function like to this, but with additional enhancements tailored to Galaxy smartphones. Large folders may or may not be included in the first UI 7 beta release, or they may be included in subsequent releases. Before the end of this month, Samsung is likely to launch the Galaxy S24 series One UI 7.0 beta program. China, Germany, India, South Korea, the UK, and the US may all get access to the beta, but plans are subject to change, so nothing is set in stone at this time. As of August 3rd, Samsung has not formally released any information about the One UI 7.0 beta Android 15. However, we can predict which Galaxy phones would get it based on previous UI beta programs. These gadgets are most likely to get the single UI 7.0 beta. Galaxy S21, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S23, and Galaxy S22 series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that concludes our discussion of the Galaxy A55, Galaxy A54, and Galaxy A35. There are also the Galaxy Z Flip 6, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Fold 4, Galaxy Z Flip 3, and Galaxy Z Flip 3. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.